Sinisithangani nxa kwenguwe. Unani lo mfana manje?
Hayi tatana Mhlonishwa, ayiswi-TV bhuti leswi. Iteka ngula mntu ayisiza la asontweni. Xifuko mafufunyani kokwani lexi.
Mafufunyani kumbe bamloyile.
Vonyile. Kip ayingiphothi mazamba. Ice block.
Komfana ukulwa yini? Ukwenda njani?
Babe mfundisi mina anginawo mafufu.
Check. Fufu check nawe. Webaba uyawuva uyangifuwa phela umuntu. Asikho sifo senhlamba.
Hayi, tatana mfundisi. Isona leso ndaba kumi ichazekala isona leso.
Ayingiphothi mazamba. Ice block.
Unyana sosima ice block ke manje.
Phela umuntu uyangatendlisi lwe. Isona sobulaba kayisona ngada isona la. Mara yena wasitiwa swakuyini leswi somngamsunguna. Swamafufunyana. Akavulavule phela kudzela.
Akavisisi malume mangimtshela ukuthi nginema tics.
Nini? Fireman, ngakama lakathi
I-Tourettes syndrome. Sifo. I-Tourettes syndrome. Futhek.
uyaphila. Futhek. Ngathi wadlala kakhulu umuntu uyana.
Hayi khona mfundisi. Hayi yasitakala oronjani na. Mara nakula muzo sakumuntu uyangatiendlisi mara Nkosi yami. Hawu mfundisi waziwana iphoqa.
Nawe futhi.
Ikompela mthandazo mfundisi. Yiye ngemuke phela songendlekiso. Yi wafa muntu.
Uyabona lokho umuntu okulwela umuntu kuyaloya ke. Ngiyaqala ukubona indvule nje.
Enine bobabe selo ngiyanitshela ngithi abakangiloyi. Nginesifo.
Hayi, unompasitunda ngicathi kuloya lo. Baqedile ngaye lo muntu.
Nginesifo bathi i-Tourettes syndrome. Lolo kumba
hayi man ngiyeva ukuthi ugulwa izifo sebelungu angisathi kepha bengicela ke ukuthi sithandaze sibone ke ukuthi ngeke uze kwenta emhlabeni ungathuka inhlamba ngithandaza ngiyekela ke. Babe egameni kayise bengicela ke Jehova ukuthi usithi nani nguwe bani nguwe wendeni nguwe uyangiphazamisa man. Usithi nani lijango sami futhek. Amen futhek phumpele la.
Hi, I'm glad you asked. So, Tourette's is a neurological condition. Wow! This means it's caused by the brain. If we want to get scientifical, I think it's the back part of the brain, which is called the basal ganglia. It's the part of the brain, wow, fuck off, which controls the movement and sounds. And in someone with Tourette's, this part of the off you cunt. This part of the brain is damaged. Wow, which means that it misfires and it sends signals that it shouldn't. Every single one of these misfired signals, cunt, creates a movement or a sound that we can't control. Wow. And these are called tics. So Tourette's is a condition that causes tics.